Welcome to www.virginiadivorceattorney.com. Today's topic, choosing a Virginia custody lawyer is critical. A reputable and compassionate Virginia custody lawyer can make a substantial difference in the way your future unfolds. Women often feel that they do not get a fair shake when it comes to financial and legal matters. A Virginia custody lawyer with vast experience and knowledge of this area of law can help you get what you deserve and ensure a bright future for you and your children. What you may not realize is that there are many types of custody in Virginia: physical and legal, sole, joint, or shared. These are just a few of the terms that you should be familiar with. You should also be aware that once custody is granted, it doesn't mean that it cannot be challenged later. Who gets physical custody of the children depends on a number of factors. The factors in Virginia are 1. The age and physical and mental condition of the child, giving due consideration to the child's changing developmental needs. 2. The age and physical and mental condition of each parent. 3. The relationship existing between each parent and each child, giving due consideration to the positive involvement with the child's life. The ability to accurately assess and meet the emotional, intellectual, and physical needs of the child. 4. The needs of the child, giving due consideration to other important relationships of the child, including but not limited to siblings, peers, and extended family members. 5. The role that each parent has played and will play in the future in the upbringing and care of the child. 6. The propensity of each parent to actively support the child's contact and relationship with the other parent, including whether a parent has unreasonably denied access to or visitation with the child. 7. The relative willingness and demonstrated ability of each parent to maintain a close and continuing relationship with the child, and the ability of each parent to cooperate in and resolve disputes regarding matters affecting the child. 8. The reasonable preference of the child, if the court deems the child to be of reasonable intelligence, understanding, age, and experience to express such a preference. 9. Any history of family abuse. Family abuse is defined as any act involving violence, force, or threat, including but not limited to any forceful detention, which results in bodily injury or places one in reasonable apprehension of bodily injury, and which is committed by a person against such person's family or household member. If the court finds such a history, the court may disregard factor number 6. And 10. Such other factors as the court deems necessary and proper to the determination. As a woman, you should make every effort to educate yourself on the laws, especially if you're considering divorce or filing for custody of your children. A good attorney will be compassionate and take a personal interest in your claim to ensure that you seek every benefit and are able to fend for your rights. Often, circumstances are amicable and there is no arguing or fighting over arrangements. When there are, turning your feelings of anger and resentment into something positive can have a beneficial effect on the outcome. Being a single mother in today's society is difficult, to say the least. Economic times are hard. Many are unable financially to pay their mortgages and other obligations. Many women get no financial support from their ex, although they are probably entitled to it. Child support is something you may need but have not fought for in court. A reputable Virginia custody attorney will help you get the support you deserve. You must support yourself and your children, and you deserve financial help from the father of your children. Right now, your future and the future of your children may be very frightening to you, but the right lawyer can help you see the light at the end of the tunnel. You will even look forward to the chance you have to begin a life that's better than the one behind you. Laws are very confusing to most people, and many women are not aware of the laws that are in place to benefit them. Whether you share custody of your children or are now contemplating sole custody, you need to know your rights. Women can empower themselves with information. You don't need to let your husband or ex intimidate you, financially or otherwise. You have every right to financial support, and your children should be the main focus. Handling every aspect of a major life change should be done in a way that's least detrimental to the children. Contact a well-respected and talented Virginia custody lawyer. You'll be surprised at how things that now look dim can be turned into a positive for your life. For more information on topics like this, please go to www.virginiadivorceattorney.com.